Today, I'm bringing you an AI project that has raised $1 million in just 5 days of their pre-sale. These guys are doing AI, but they're also doing a decentralized GPU network. So tons of potential behind this project. None of this is financial advice, always do your own research, but without further ado, let's dive in to this amazing platform. So this is AIFinder, and AIFinder aims to revolutionize crypto investing with custom AI models. These are powered by a decentralized GPU network, and an infrastructure like that really does open the door to bypass the gatekeepers such as Google and OpenAI. AIFinder delivers affordable GPU access, sharper investment insights, and a seamless DeFi ecosystem to boost accessibility and innovation. And as you can see, they've raised over 1.1 million so far, but it's important to get involved earlier rather than later, as the price will increase every pre-sale stage. Now, the core products of AIFinder goes as follows. They're going to have an investing LLM model, which will allow you to basically get sophisticated investment assistance specifically tailored for investment strategies based on their risk tolerance. This will be great for beginner investors, but will also be great for advanced investors to double check their work. Now, they're also doing what's called DGPUs. So this is a decentralized GPU network that reduces costs by 80% compared to legacy providers such as OpenAI and Google Gemini. And because it's a decentralized network, this removes the expensive data centers or corporate overhead that are normally associated with AI. So this solves a massive problem in the space. Now, they're also doing an AI insight generator to generate custom reports, aggregate comprehensive data, and provide in-depth analysis with real-time updates. It also suggests similar projects for investment optimization. So if you find a new project, you could throw it into this AI, and it's essentially going to give you everything from the nitty-gritty down to the simplified aspects of the project, so you know exactly what you're getting into. And their fourth flagship product here is going to be an AI model builder. So this will allow you to create personalized investment models with tailored data points, test them on historical data, and integrate automation tools for data collection. But it won't just stop at analysis of data, it will actually do trade execution as well and include risk management options. So the strengths of this is, of course, it's all decentralized and it allows that access without having the monopolized systems such as OpenAI and Google. Now, if we scroll down to their tokenomics here, we can see that yes, they're actually very community focused with super balanced allocation. You can see we have 30% for the pre-sale, 10% for liquidity pools, and 18% for staking rewards. So we're looking at over 50% here going directly to the community through a decentralized distribution model. Now, the roadmap has 5 clear stages. There is the long-term vision, which will be a multi-centralized exchange and AI model marketplace, as well as governance features. They're also doing a tech focused with parallel community and infra growth. Now, the roadmap here features 5 clear phases. The long-term vision of multiple SEX listings and full operational capability, along with community governance. This is clearly a project that is tech focused, but also has a parallel focus on their community and the community growth. And all of this will be powered by their token, which will be the backbone of the entire ecosystem. And that token is FIAI. And as you can see here, it's currently in pre-sale at a price of $0.002. So a great time to get involved. Now, in terms of credibility, we can see they do have a CoinSol audit, and they have passed that with flying colors, bar one very small low risk issue, which is absolutely normal for most pre-sales. Then if we go to social media, we can actually see that a bunch of big KOLs are already talking about. And if we just look at some of the followers here, we can see 100K here, 86K here, 128K on that one, and 103K on this. And this is just a few of the 6 major KOLs that have been covering these guys. So this is not something that doesn't have momentum. This is actually something that's being covered everywhere, including in the press. So here we can see on 24/7 Business Reporter, there was actually an article put out about AIFinder. We can also see Smart's Business Wire doing an article here as well. And even Fox 44 News have also covered AIFinder. Now, every 5 days, this pre-sale will go up 5%, and stage 2 is already live at this current price. So in terms of getting that first mover advantage, it's critical to get in before those prices rise every 5 days. Now, the potential of this token after listing could be massive because they're doing mining, so users can actually mine FIAI by hosting AI models on their GPUs, with at least 1,000 of the tokens staked per active node. Now, they're also doing rewards with their staking, so this will generally incentivize people to strengthen the network security and decentralization and gain a share of the generated revenue. And in terms of potential volume for this token, it will be used for payment when using the AI models. So users will need to actually buy FIAI to access the GPU network for training AI and, of course, anything associated with the ecosystem. So overall, I think this is a project with tons of potential. But how do we get involved? Well, this is super easy to do, guys. All you got to do is basically connect your wallet like so, select which wallet you want to use, and then you can see we actually have the option to pay with card or use Ethereum here. So let's say we want to buy with 1 Ethereum. You can see that we'd actually get 2.1 million tokens here. Now, they're also doing a referral system, which will allow you to get 10% of the payment directly. And then for second level invitees, you can get 5% of their payment. So if you do have a network, definitely connect your wallet and get your referral code. But that is FIAI. And honestly, guys, this is a super low pre-sale price with super high ROI potential. This has real utility from day one. And of course, it does have a limited supply. So lots of potential surrounding this project. If you do want to check it out, definitely head to the description. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.